We are Steve and Jenny. We live in Queensland, Australia. Steve lives daily with Huntington's disease, but his motto is, every day is a great day. Join us weekly as we share our life through his journey in a more positive way.
Breathtaking. Look at it. Thank you, Lord. And then all this pink, look at it. Beautiful.
How are legs? It'll be a little bit unstable, obviously walking on sand. That's been great for us, is that? That's it, going well, chest up. We're not stopping until we get to the same level as this gentleman, then we'll walk. Beautiful. Nice even steps, focusing, concentrating, just thinking about concentrating on your walking technique, that's it. Now we're going to turn. You moved to the Sunshine Coast in 1971 from the Gold Coast?
Yep.
Go.
We're on our way now after a comfortable walk on the beach, which I haven't done in a long time. But now we're here for my favourite fish and chip shop. It was voted the best fish and chip shop on the Sunshine Coast. So I love fish and chips, just like my mother used to. But don't miss out on anything at all.
So it's obvious who you're going for tonight.
Queensland forever.
Queensland forever. Steve's all ready. He's got the TV on already. Yep, he's ready. Daddy! Oi! Big smile. Big smile with Daddy. Yeah. You ready for the game? He says, what the heck have you put around my neck?
I'm just getting this ready to paint. We used to do this sort of thing together all the time. We used to have so much fun doing up houses and just maintaining, creating things. We loved it. We loved doing all that together. Sadly, Steve can't do it as much anymore, or at all really now. but I think it's important to include them in what you're doing. We've been talking about what I'm going to do, what paint I'm using, and all the rest of it. So I think that's important. It just makes them feel like they're still a human being and that they're still included in everything. It's just, it's a difficult thing, but you can make it easier by just putting a smile on your face, enjoying what you can, and just include them in everything.
Well, I've just finished sanding and ready for painting later. Right now I'm going to head off to an appointment. I'm actually having some really nice time with a psychologist because I think it's important to just keep on top of things, and it helps. So that's what I'm going to do. You got to do what helps. Look at the ripples on the ceiling here, the dam water. So nice. Anyway, my arm's aching right now and I didn't use my selfie stick, so I'm going to go.
Lovely in the morning sun. What's that? What's that? Oh, what is it? Oh, now I've started something. It's okay. It's just a birdie. It's a birdie. It's all good.
I too had nothing but revenge. A big belly full of revenge.
Hey, well, we've just been to the movies to see. What did you think of it, mate?
I loved every bit of it. Action movie. Actually, more action than I thought.
Was it a long film, or did it seem to go a bit faster because of the amount of action?
Just the action from start to finish. So, straight here.
And lots of Australian accents?
There was, what's it, film?
Well, I think it was filmed around Australia, but I think so. Well, they had Australia in the beginning of the match, but we loved it.
Yeah, I think so.
And we've had a pretty awesome day.
I think so.
Excellent. Oh, well, we'll keep you up to tune with what we're going to be doing next. I think our next movie is
Bad boy.
Bad Boys. And you're going to see Bad Boys, the Will Smith movie. That should be a bit of comedy and action, right up our alley.
It is. Looking forward.
Feeding the family on our
Oh no, it's
on our
not
deck.
You haven't got one?
Stephen John.
And then there's this John, if you wanted this mushroom, honey mushroom.
Morning. Bit of a sad day today. Unfortunately, yesterday we lost one of our goats who was my favourite. I was the first one to see her when she was born. It was the cutest little thing, little Bella. Ball of fluff, dark fluff, all different colours, shades, and had the most beautiful nature. Watched her grow into she was always very sensitive. The other little one that was born only hours later, or hours before actually, Bella was second born. She had her head stuck in the fence not long ago, and I could hear them bleeding, so I went down and his apricot stuck in the fence, and Bella came running to the gate to me and took me over to Apricot in a big panic. She was so sweet, and Apricot's mother was over the other side of the fence just eating. But that's the sort of little goat she was. She had a beautiful nature, and we're going to miss her terribly. Not sure what got her, but anyways, she's in heaven now, making a lot of people and other animals very happy with her beautiful nature. Dr. Spock, your new senior card has arrived. Need to sign it, considering your nearly retirement age. Not you. You will be. You'll be 67 in September. I'm not there for another 2 years, man. Not young 67. You'll be saying that till day dot. Okay, well, young 67, hurry up and put your glasses on. Okay, righto.
Remember how to sign your name? It's on the white strip that goes straight across. You know, okay. Darling, is it the right way up? Yeah, good man. You're doing very good. Oh, rascal. Good. Well done, baby. Good.
Very good. Very good.
Okay, hold it up. Show me. Hey. I should have given you the other pen, shouldn't I? So I'll pick it up in a minute. Hold it up. Hold her up, man. Alright. They're annoying like that. Oh, very good. More discounts at IGA. Pick up that other pen that's there. See the one there behind your water bottle? Just show us that pen. The one behind. No, the pen, sweetheart, behind your water bottle. It's just there, love. And put that down. Yeah. So this is a really cool pen. We should have used that. Hey, just hold it still. Good man. It's got a little grip thing right there. Your fingers. Double step right. Very good. You've done well. Yes. Go, Ethan! Come on, Ethan! That's it! Yes! Good setup, Ethan! Awesome. Yes. Go, Ethan! Come on, Ethan! That's it! Yes! Good setup, Ethan! Awesome. Right, still eating breakfast. But just making things possible by being organised. You got to be super organised for this sort of lifestyle. But it's worth it because Steve just has so much fun. Builds up his rapport, builds up his confidence, builds up his happiness in life. Okay, darling.
But Zeke plays
Not Zig. The other one.
Hunter plays
AFL.
AFL under 6.
Yep.
To see him win.
Yeah, come to see him win. Yep. Good on ya. This is where we're going today. We've done lots of sport this weekend. We've had their middle son won the futsal and their eldest one won the basketball, the grand final. So it's been lots of fun.
We made it to the footy to see our grandson play.
A good day.
Yep. Enjoying this time away. I just want to say thank you for all your support, for those who have subscribed, for those who are just encouraging us to do this, to get the word out. It's so important. So we're just going to keep going, keep pushing through. It's very, very late on Sunday night, but I'm determined to get this out. So I'm sitting here. It's a bit cool tonight, sitting here in my dressing gown. I'm going to pile into bed soon, but I just want to get this up for you guys, and really appreciate if you could share and support us just in that way. Spread the word, and we would love you to subscribe if you haven't, but thank you very much if you have. And yeah, that's about it. So have a good week, everyone, and we'll be back next Sunday night putting through some more fun times that we're having, and sad times sometimes, and serious times other times too. That's life. Have a good week.